Hey guys, so today we're gonna do a Star Wars Lego unboxing type thing. Well, not really unboxing, it's just like building. So I already got all the pieces out. Now we just have to build the characters. So first, there's this guy, his little weird pants. And let's just go by the order that this thing shows them in. Okay, there. Now this should be really easy, but this is the first time I've ever really put a lot of time into a Lego set. I usually just whip them through in just a couple seconds. No face reveal on the Legos. That'd be cool if it actually it says there's like a little, here, I must have left it in the bag, but, oh, dang it. Sorry, Oh, I forgot his little cape. It's a black cape. It's completely black. Wow. That's what my mom would call sketchy. Just a guy wearing a black cape going around in a Mandalorian suit. By the way, if you want to know why it's already opened, it's actually not because I wanted to be prepared. It's because this is kind of like a take two. Because people kept talking and then it kind of ruined the audio. You can probably still hear them talking. And then I got sent up to my room for apparently not being, I don't know, for being rude or something. I can't even tell what I did. Okay, got the head on there. Here we go. Mr. Guy that's not the original Mandalorian has been constructed. The child's name is not Yoda. It's a little bit of a spoiler. And he meets some other guys and other Mandalorians. This is the way. By the way, I forgot to say in the last video, well, I'll say it at the end, but no, never mind. I know people don't like it when I say in the middle of a video or just, yeah, so that's why. Most people don't like it. You'll see why, because it'll be described in what I say later. I forgot to. That's the other guy. pretty quiet for the last minute or two. 5 minutes in and I've barely gotten anything done. Well, we're gonna have to end at one point soon. Like halfway through, but if I can't get it done, I'll just finish it in the next video. As in, like, I'll say that little thing that I was talking about. I don't know why that's there. I mean, it does fit their head perfectly. It's just weird. Yeah, never mind. Well. Capes are so weird, they're like pointed at the end. For this part. Oh, there's that guy. And now I just had to finish the Mandalorian guy. The original one. Yeah, I was just trying to focus it on it. So now, okay, that guy. That guy. Turn it around. That guy. Him. Turn it around. Him. Why the heck is that there? Him. I'll just put that right there. Next page. Sub thing that I'm probably going to be putting on it. What we're making now. When I say sub thing, it's like something that adds on to it later. So that guy, bing bang bang, big bow bow. At the other side. Oh, we're running out of time. Well, this is what we have so far. I'll make a part 2. Bye.